Hello, trading is closed on November 1st, 2018. My last call looked for the pattern with the early low, which we got. I said lower prices should print. That didn't necessarily mean that we closed lower. In spite of a big gap up, we did trade under the close. Didn't stay there long, but at least we did it. In the afternoon, MEJT said all these squiggles weren't for keeps and would retrace. Mixed bag for tomorrow. It's a pattern with the early high and the late high. It's usually positive, but if it's bad, it's very, very bad and goes down in a straight line. It's a potential change in trend over the weekend, but some of these work like a charm. Some of them don't work at all. Starting low, rallying all day, closing near the high is a positive pattern. Unless we gap down, tends to lead to higher prices. Futures are indicating gapping down is a very real possibility. Throw in the non-farm payrolls report tomorrow, which often moves the market in mysterious ways that I find tough to predict. Throw all this mishmash together, I'm not going to make any call for tomorrow. Call for tomorrow is no call.